24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Vowels and consonants. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourselves to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. Let's start the lesson. Tell the students that English alphabet has vowels and consonants. Objectives. Students should be able to differentiate between vowels and consonants, write a letter or letters to represent consonants and short vowel sounds. Learn that sounds are the blend of vowels and consonants. Recall. Help the students to recall the sounds of vowels and consonants. Read. Start singing the alphabet song with the students.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
And write the vowels on the board. Ask the students to look at the alphabet chart and say it slowly. Explain to the students that each letter has a purpose when it comes to the sound, writing, spelling, and talking. Recognition. Write the alphabet on the board and help the students to identify vowels and consonants. Review. Do the following activity to develop good understanding among the students about word making. Distribute alphabet cards to the students. Make words with the help of students in front of the class. Help students understand that we can't make words without vowels. Make at least 10 words with the help of cards in the students' hands. Use these words in front of class. Writing. Write different words on the board with blanks and help the students to complete the given words such as D blank C K, G L blank S S, blank P P L blank, etc. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.